Fear and anxiety are a consequence of your imagination running wild. You are suffering a situation that may never happen. Well, but both anxiety and fear are so prevalent in human mind. This is essentially because the process of growing up in the modern world does not train an individual human being in any way to conduct their mind. In the process of growing up in today's world, there is no scientific approach as to how to conduct the human mind. Haphazardly, we're trying to do this. Our education, our science is all about taking control of other life, taking control of every material on the planet, but not about taking charge of our own minds and our own bodies and our own chemistry and our own energies. We must understand our physical body, our chemical structure, our energetic structure, and what happens in our minds are all extremely related. You cannot conduct them separately. The yogic sciences address this in a very profound way. Without the necessary understanding, unfortunately, yoga is being trivialized by a whole lot of people. But for those who are willing, there is a way to take charge of our mind to such an extent, to take charge of our chemistry, to take charge of our energy in such a way that your activity, both conscious and unconscious, that means your karma, both conscious and unconscious karma that you perform, you can take charge. Once you take charge of your karma, in many ways you have taken charge of your own destiny. You can craft your own destiny the way you want. That means you determine the nature of your experience in this world.